Today, I'll show you how to sync Microsoft Forms with Excel so your responses flow automatically into a spreadsheet without any manual copying and pasting. This is really useful if you're collecting survey results, registrations, quizzes, or any kind of form data, and you want to analyze it or share it with others in a more flexible way. Let's start from inside Microsoft Forms. First, open the form you want to connect. You can do this by going to your Microsoft Forms homepage and selecting the form from your list. Make sure you're opening the correct one, especially if you have several similar forms, because the spreadsheet we create will be tied directly to this specific form. Once your form is open, look towards the top of the page and locate the responses section. In Microsoft Forms, there are usually two main areas, one for designing or editing your questions and another for managing your responses. Click on the Responses tab to switch from editing the questions to viewing the data that people have submitted. On the Responses page, you'll see a summary of how many responses you've received and some basic charts or statistics depending on how your questions are set up. This summary view is great for a quick snapshot, but the real power comes from exporting everything to Excel, where you can filter, sort, and run formulas. To do that, find the option labeled Open in Excel. Go ahead and click that. Microsoft Forms will now generate an Excel file that contains all the responses collected so far. Depending on your browser settings, this file may either download directly to your computer or open in Excel online. If you're using Microsoft 365 and your form is associated with an account that uses OneDrive or SharePoint, the Excel file is usually stored automatically in the corresponding OneDrive or SharePoint location. This is important because when the file lives in OneDrive or SharePoint, it stays linked to your form, and that's what enables the automatic syncing. Once the file is created and saved in OneDrive or SharePoint, new responses will appear in that same spreadsheet automatically. You don't have to click Open in Excel again each time someone submits a response. The form and the Excel file are now connected behind the scenes. As more people respond, new rows are added to the table in Excel, one row for each submission. You can open this file from OneDrive, from the Files tab in Microsoft Forms, or from within Excel itself. Whether you open it in Excel on the web or the desktop version, you'll see the data update as responses come in. If you don't see new responses right away, give it a moment or use the refresh option in Excel to make sure you're viewing the latest version. From here, you can work with your data just like any other Excel workbook. You can apply filters to focus on specific answers, create charts and pivot tables, or share the file with colleagues so they can collaborate with you in real time. And that's all you need to do. Open your form, go to the Responses tab, click Open in Excel, and make sure the file is stored in OneDrive or SharePoint so new responses sync automatically. Once it's set up, you'll have a live, always up-to-date Excel view of all your Microsoft Forms responses.